Yes, this is going to be the first activation on my Retekess TR625 going off in the car weekly test. You're only going to hear some of my weather radios going off in the background, but this is only going to be the Retekess TR625 in the video, but you'll hear one of my other radios going off, including the Running Salem MJ319, Midland WR400, Midland WR120, and Syngee MC100, and the Raycom R1650G.
Lows in the lower 70s.
So yeah, I'll come back in like a few minutes or seconds or so, and we're gonna get it started. Alright, see you guys. Yes!
The preceding was a test of now weather radio
Activate.
station WXL46's warning alarm systems. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.
Finally activate!
Tests are normally conducted by NOW's National Weather Service. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties: Christian, Dade, Dallas, Douglas, Greene, Laclede, Lawrence, Polk, Stone, Taney, Webster, and Wright. This has been a test of the NOW weather radio warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Wow.